Prepositions of place. Where is the ball? On. The ball is on the box. The ball is on the box. In. The ball is in the box. The ball is in the box. Next to. The ball is next to the box. The ball is next to the box. In front of. The ball is in front of the box. The ball is in front of the box. Behind. The ball is behind the box. The ball is behind the box. Under. The ball is under the box. The ball is under the box. Between. The ball is between the boxes. The ball is between the boxes.
Excellent!